Mind-blown chef here with the video that's gonna blow your mind. This is cooking made simple. And this one, guys, healthy side dish. Check it out. Zucchini sticks. Zucchini, Parmesan, and EVO, aka extra virgin olive oil. Step 1, broiler on. Now prep your zucchini. What we're gonna do is you're gonna cut this part off, come at it, cut it in half, cut the other side off as well, flat. Now we're gonna make little strips. So hold it, cut off just a little piece here. Just like that. About a 1/4 inch thick. We'll do that to the rest. Alright, now that all our zucchini is cut, we're gonna lay it flat on our cooking sheet. And then we're gonna hit it with some olive oil and salt and pepper. And then we're gonna put the Parmesan cheese on top. Alright, a little salt. Little pepper. And then we're gonna put the Parmesan cheese as even as possible across the top. Just like that. All right, there we go. And we're gonna put this in the broiler and we're gonna just basically get everything golden brown and take it out. Keep an eye on your zucchini. If you notice it starts to get a little dark, just manipulate the pan, move it around, and just get the heat where you want it. There they are, guys, zucchini sticks. Good healthy snack or a side dish? Ooh, sexy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.